For a decadent dessert upgrade, you need just one thing, and that is fancy flavored frosting. Chef Nettie Frank is going to share 6 fabulous frosting flavors. It's so good to see you.
So good to see you.
So oftentimes we take a shortcut here.
Yes.
And we grab a jar, but you're making the case for homemade.
Please don't grab the jar.
Don't do it.
I understand the stressful and I understand busy, but like you can make this so fast. So fast.
And that is one thing that you can't, the jar can never replicate a good homemade frosting.
It can't, and it also has a bunch of garbage in it that we don't even know how to pronounce.
Yeah,
so I would rather have fresh ingredients from raspberries, berries, citrus, and you just create it yourself. And
Okay.
It's easy peasy.
Where are we starting?
We're gonna do key lime. So key lime was one of our top first 5 donuts that we started out here in Beyond Glaze. And I don't know if you know this, but our very first TV spot was here with you, Studio 5.
Was it?
Yes.
I'm honored to acknowledge that.
Yes, so it was over a Valentine's treat kind of a thing. So anyways, Beyond Glaze
full circle. I love it.
It's certainly
Well, we love Beyond Glaze. This is the shop you opened, the book you created, the brand you developed.
Yep.
We know you for that. We love you for that.
Yes.
So key lime was one of your favorite flavors.
Yeah, it was our top 5. I wanted to bring the islands to you.
Yeah.
Right? So we're gonna zest, and then we are going to juice these. And you always want to roll out your limes first, right? Anytime you're using citrus, apply pressure so it breaks up all those segments so it's easier for you to
get
juice
the
it.
juice out. Okay.
Now, I was trained to just like squeeze it and get in there and do that, but these are so fun to just, I don't know.
It's really satisfying, isn't it?
It is, right?
You feel like you're getting every last drop.
Every last drop. So we're going to just do, it's the lime zest, lime juice, and powdered sugar.
That's it?
That's it.
Really?
That's it. Same with like the raspberries. This is going everywhere.
So you're getting a fresh taste, a fresh flavor.
Absolutely. So now we're just going to add our powdered sugar with it.
And what was already in there? Butter?
So nope, no butter.
No butter.
So I just had more. I'm going to turn this on. So
I'm sorry. Lime juice.
Lime juice, lime zest.
Lime zest and
powdered sugar.
No butter.
No butter. Nope. No butter. This is it. So even with any kind of citrus, you can do this. Now I did make a lemon orange one, and that one was created from making a wedding cake, and I was like, let's put it on a donut too. And now it became a great one. So we did like a lemonade stand. So we've got raspberry lemonade over there. You can do blackberry lemonade, whatever you want to do. So we're going to do the key lime. So we're just adding powdered sugar. Now, what's the difference between regular sugar and powdered sugar?
Finer.
Yes, but there's also cornstarch added to powdered sugar, so that's why it thickens. And that's why
I never even thought about that.
Really?
No, but
so that's why we use it for for frostings and such, because we want that.
Okay.
Now, key lime will give you a beautiful, just neutral color. So I do add like 1 drop of coloring if you would like.
Okay.
Only because, sorry to block the camera real fast.
Okay.
I just want to get as much powdered sugar in there as possible.
Yeah.
So as that is mixing up, that is our key lime. We're gonna have our piping bag.
Great.
So I love the disposable ones.
Yes.
You pull it back, so now you've got kind of like a handle.
Little pocket.
Yeah, so when this is done, come on little guy.
And the flavors, I wanna review again. You could do that same thing with lemon, with orange.
Yes.
With raspberry.
Raspberry, blueberries.
Oh my gosh.
Puree up the blueberries. Mango, same thing. You just puree up the mangoes and then you add powdered sugar and that's it.
I am like trying to just imagine that delicious frosting in my mouth and I feel so good about it. Like it's a light, it's almost glazy, but still stable.
Right.
And has the fresh flavor that we love.
Yes, exactly. You know, and we all love a nice powdered sugar facial, you know.
Nothing like it.
Nothing
like it. Oh, look how green.
Yes, I did put a drop in there, which was plenty. Okay, so now we're just gonna take that and pour it into, you know, I'm gonna have you.
I would love to. Sorry, as I stand here and stare.
No, you're good. And I would probably, if I had more powdered sugar, just add a little bit more powdered sugar.
Thicken it a little more?
Yeah, I just want it to be a little bit thicker, right?
But you can just play with that consistency, right?
Yep. If it looks separated, then you need to add more powdered sugar.
Okay.
Like if it looks too runny like this, then you add more powdered sugar. If it's too thick, just add a little bit more lime juice or a little bit of water.
Okay.
And now it's thinned out. So we're gonna pop that up, perfect. And we're gonna take a rubber band. This is our friends. We have to kind of like wrestle this.
Go, get it.
Right?
Yeah.
So, because we use the big, huge piping bags that were like, what, 3 pounds each of just frosting? So
yeah.
They did that. Meanwhile, we're gonna make our graham cracker crumb topping.
Okay.
So we've got crushed graham crackers right there. Add the butter.
Butter goes in.
Yes, perfect. And then we're gonna add a little bit of sugar. We're gonna sweeten that up just a little bit. Now stir that. Now that becomes our crumble mixture that we put on our torts, our key lime pie. It's the crust, right? So, yeah. So now, perfectly, we can just take a little bit of those crumbs And we'll sprinkle it right
Look at
on
that.
top. So
Look
it
at that.
just is this nice, yummy.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So now we've got a few if you want to pipe.
Sure.
Some donuts right there.
You bet your boots I do.
So we've got lemon orange cream cheese or we've got white chocolate. Which one do you want?
What did I grab?
Design?
What did I
Yep,
grab?
lemon orange.
Lemon
so you can make whatever
orange.
beautiful outlines. And in my book, it also shows you how to decorate like we did at the bakery for all those years.
Fantastic.
And then we can just go, I'll go right in. So this
There
one
it goes.
definitely needed more powdered
But you get the
sugar.
effect.
But you get the idea.
This-
You get the idea.
This is the
So
most
yes.
beautiful book, and it does take you step by step through the donut making process.
Yes.
You can have that taste that we know and love as Beyond Glaze. Where do we get a copy?
So you can go to my website, chefnettie.com. And you can just purchase it right there. And if you want me to like sign it to anybody or to you, put it in the notes and I'm happy to
I love that.
sign it to you. And we were part of Utah for 15 years.
We loved it.
And anyways, this is something that it looks great on your coffee table.
Yes.
And it's just great to pull it out and create
Absolutely.
something fun for yourself.
Well, and you created that for us. So Nettie, thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.